this one. It is really very.
This is our new collection. Excuse me.
Yes, please say, ma'am, how may I help you?
Do you have winter collection?
Which kind of?
I want to hoodie.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Let me show you. I have brought many new collections for yesterday only.
Okay.
Hey, Chotu, bring the new collections. What we have?
This is the new collection.
Okay, ma'am. Look this. This is really very beautiful. Ma'am, look at the design.
Oh wow, it's really nice, but it's fad. I don't like this color.
No, ma'am. The color is really good and it looks good on you.
No,
So,
no,
see?
I don't want this.
Okay, no issue, ma'am. I will not force you. So I will show you another one. Ma'am, look at this one. This one. Isn't it good?
It is also good, but I also don't like
The colors.
Ma'am,
The
look
color.
this design and
fabric.
the fabric.
No, I don't like pink color.
Okay. Then see this, ma'am. It is not hoodie, but I think you will like this.
No, twin one. It's black. I don't like black color. It's
No issue.
I don't
No
know.
issue. Ma'am, it is not hoodie, but you can buy. It is in trend and it looks good. You can also use
Let
this
me try.
in another season. Okay.
Let me try, please.
Okay. Take this, ma'am. There is trial room. You can check.
I love this, but it's not.
No,
fitting.
ma'am. It is really looking good on you.
No, yeah, I don't want. If you have another, please give me.
Ma'am, so please tell me, do you want simple or the printed one?
I don't want simple. I want printed.
Okay, so ma'am, I have already shown you my wonderful collections. Now I'm going to show you my one of the best collections. So ma'am,
Oh.
look at this. The color is
I
also
want.
good.
I want this.
Okay.
I was telling you. I want hoodie.
Oh, nice. So ma'am, it is good. You can buy this.
It's really nice. What is the range of this hoodie?
Ma'am, don't worry about range. It is in your budget. Only 2,000.
2,000. It is too costly. Please less the price.
No, ma'am, it's not costly. Look, according to the quality and the comfort.
I know, I know.
It is also warm. You can check this.
I know, but
You can-
I really like this hoodie. Please less the price. I want less price.
Ma'am, I would have less, but I can't. So don't worry. I will show other hoodie.
No,
if you
no,
want.
no. I don't want another hoodie. I want this hoodie. Please.
Okay, ma'am, but only for you. I'm giving you this in 1,500.
Okay, fine. I don't have it.
No issue. No issue. So please pay it online. Excuse me. Pack this.
Show me your scan. It has packed.
Okay.
Paid.
Yes. Thank you.
Give me my hoodie.
Yes, ma'am. Take it. Visit again.
Okay, I will come here.
If you like this video, please like and share.
Fine.